WYFF News for today.
Time and temperature from Honda dealers of the Carolinas.
Let's celebrate.
Good afternoon, I'm Nigel Robertson. We've got a winter storm moving into our area right now. Let's take a live look outside from this resort cam from Waynesville, North Carolina. Look at all the white that is just building up there. You can't even see the dirt on the ground because it's just covered in white, building up on the trees. And look at that. I mean, now let's move south to Greenville, where it is beginning. Look, you can see the flakes on the camera. It is beginning to come down outside, and this is exactly what Chief Meteorologist Chris Justice told us would happen as the temperatures begin to fall. Chris.
Here we are at 2 o'clock. That's when we expected the snow to transition over into Greenville. So far things are playing out as we expected. Here's this heavier band back toward North Georgia. It's what I'll be watching over the next couple of hours. As it moves into the upstate, it's going to continue to bring down heavier rain rates in the upstate, and that's going to continue to cool the atmosphere, which is now in the mid-30s. You'll be closer to freezing along and north of 85, and this is when I expect those of you that haven't seen the snow yet to start to spread in. You can see here it's a rain-snow mix across Greenville and Spartanburg counties. You got that advance of the moisture coming down from the Spartanburg-Greenville County line. It's mixed in with some sleet at times as well, moving towards you folks in downtown Greenville for the first time. Same story in Pickens. We've got a rain-snow mix. Back toward Walhalla, locked in with the snow northwest bound, and along I-85 southbound, that's where we've got the rain. You can see Tigerville, Travelers Rest, Taylors, and Greer seeing some rain and snow mix. Same thing with Rabun County, where there's been a ½ an inch reported. We've got heavier snow from Asheville to Hendersonville, back toward Chimney Rock and Bat Cave. Looking at the winds, we've got a stout northeast wind coming in at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and as this rain moves in, that intensifies that cool air coming down from the northeast. Temperatures have continued to drop from the 40s to the 30s, and about 36 degrees is where you get some snow. We've also got that dry air in place, which is evaporating and cooling that air. When it's all said and done, I expect about a dusting to as much as an inch in Greenville and Spartanburg, with closer to 1 to 2 inches farther north toward TR, Taylors, Greer, up toward Tigerville, and in western North Carolina, closer to 2 to 3, maybe even 4 inches in some locations by the time it's all said and done. We'll keep you posted.
All right, Chris, thank you very much. We now want to take you live to Travelers Rest, where our Taggart Hauk is at Gateway Elementary School, where they're just letting students out early today. Tag, how are conditions there?
Hey, good afternoon, Nigel. Yeah, you know, we're seeing a little bit of rain here, but I just want to show you this. I'm going to step off. A picture, or in this case, well, a video says 1,000 words, right? Look at all the cars here. These are a lot of the parents here. They're picking up their kids. You mentioned from Heritage Elementary. There's also Gateway Middle School here. So you've got 2 schools here. Parents from both of those picking their kids up. School let out here at 1:30 and has for all schools in the Greenville County School District. But we've been monitoring this for about 15 minutes now, or 15 minutes. We've seen a lot of cars being able to work their way into that way now, but for a while, there had been quite a bit of a standstill. We came here at about 1:45, and on our way in, road very much blocked up on all directions. You have Gear Highway and Old White Horse Road, and you see a lot more traffic moving now, parents able to get in. But even as you go over into Heritage, Andrew, if we could go take a look at there, Heritage Elementary, you see that line of cars. I know if you're not there, you're probably counting your stars that you are not. But we've seen, again, more lines of cars even further down that section. As for the conditions, though, really not a lot of threat here. I mean, certainly you want to be careful, but not a lot of rain, not a lot of snow that we've seen. We are going to head up to Tigerville a little bit later on for the shows, and we will we'll show you what that is going to entail. Live in Travelers Rest, Taggart Hauk, WYFF News 4.
All right, Taggart, thank you very much. Stay safe out there. And remember, you can track winter weather minute by minute by downloading our WYFF News 4 app. We have live interactive radar, so you can get the forecast whenever you need it. We'll now send you back to regular programming.
We now join our regularly scheduled program already in progress.
They're incredible. This is